I am extremely thankful for FAPSI organization to give this opportunity to interact with you on this occasion. During my last visit to Gujarat, I came to notice that Gujarat government is giving additional incentives to the startup industries that somehow you could not brought it to our government's notice by the industry associations or organizations. So now after seeing this workshop, I feel it is little relevant to suggest to give a special attention to the startup enterprises. Why I will just come to you. So whether I always, whenever I was called for any interaction, I always start from the basics. So if it is a business planning. When you all people came here, spend your time, spend your nominal fees for starting up a new business, a new enterprise. You want to become an industrialist, like our Suranaji telling, like Lakshmi Nivas Mittal, like Bharati Mittal, like Lalit Modi, like Narayana Murthy, whatnot. So that is a goal. That is a vision. You are all expected to strengthen it. But the program is meant for startups. Why the word you are using the startups? What is the difference between a startup psychology and a matured entrepreneur, Sri Suranaji? So first point, in any environment, business means, I feel, is a basic survival in any environment. You have to play with the environment. You have to play with the environment and make your earnings, whether in lakhs, thousands, or crores, or billions of rupees, like Bill Gates. But the principles of the game is same. The first thing it came to my mind is, knowingly or unknowingly, we are conditioned by our routine education system, wherein we are being trying to acknowledge that there are many chances for us. So we can take a risk of giving a routine attempt to a situation. So once you are trying to give a routine attempt to a business environment, what will happen? All your business decisions may not be matured, may not be professional. Then what is the ultimate? In academic environment, you may get less marks, but here in the business environment, you may lose your capital. You may lose your precious time. So that's why in my recent interaction with Indian School of Business and in their meetings, they conducted a study. So then they came out that this success rate of the startups is not more than 30%. So I think in that context, our FAPSI might have taken this initiative. So startup means you should be very prudent and careful. So first of all, you should get rid of from the past conditioning of making a routine attempts in making a business decisions. So now what are the opportunities available? What is the Indian population? What is our market demand? That's all will come next. First of all, we should shed our past conditioning of giving a routine attempts in a business situation. So once you come over that obstacle, then everything is clean and green. This is my perception. Then we have been giving incentives to many industrial units as per government policy. Then I made a random study of what are the units coming for the last 5 years. And then surprisingly, 80 and 85% of the units are not from startups, are from the existing entrepreneurs, matured entrepreneurs like Devendra Surana only. Hardly less than 20% only coming from startups. So that means that there is every need from this system to motivate or to give a correct mindset to the startups. So in this way, the initiative taken by the FAPSI is excellent, welcoming, and it should be on continuous basis. This is my suggestion, and I request our FAPSI association to give a representation to the government of Andhra Pradesh to give a special priority to the startup entrepreneurs as being done by the Gujarat government. Okay, remaining other things, this is your mindset, how to identify an opportunity. So there is a difference between opportunity identification by a startup person, by a matured person. So startup persons have got aberration to go by a gossip, whereas matured person, no. When you make an identification, when you want to file an application with a bank, when you want to choose in fact a financial institution, you yourself has got the capacity to analyze which is the appropriate setting for you. Okay, so with this, I thank you, all of you. I don't want to stand between your course directors and you, because you are all very eager to become like Bharati Mittal or Ambani's or Mittals. So I wish all the best, and from department side, we are always available to give any information to pass on any benefits smoothly. So if you feel still you want more, our Rajeshwara is there, Secretary General, our Shekhar Agrawal is there. Through them, you can put pressure on appropriate institutions. So thank you very much.